Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I need to go ahead to verify the green drill right now. Let's go. Sorry for that chaotic start. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a professional dancer working on board a cruise ship. And like I said, today we had a green drill. So this is actually not a drill for me, but I had to do verification. So I had to go and collect a document, then go and check that everybody was where they should be, that they know all the information, and then go and take that document back. So it's really fast. So I am now done and I am about to go on a little breakfast date with my friend Sarah. So I've just texted her to let her know that I'm ready, and then we're going to head up to Ocean View and go and get some food together. And I have lots of little things that I need to do today. It's my day off, so I also want to prioritize chilling and taking care of myself. So I wanted to spend the day with you. So let's go and get some breakfast on this beautiful day. Hey. My advice is when you're drinking filter coffee, where possible, always try and add some honey to it, because it sweetens the coffee, but it's obviously a natural sweetener. I have just come back to my cabin because I have a therapy session. It is in 15 minutes, so I'm just going to change into something comfy, log into my Wi-Fi, and then do my little therapy. I'm seeing a new therapist today. I haven't spoken to her before, so I'm excited to get to know her and start on this little journey together. So yeah, I am going to do my therapy and then we will have a little catch up later. So for the next month, until the 25th of April, I am staying in the Caravan. Now I need to go and put some money on my card so I can buy a coffee, because I'm going to go and read on deck 6 while I wait for my laundry so that I can then put it in the dryer. is time for aerial conditioning. This is going to be my workout of the day, and I'm going to tell myself that this is the reason why I've not gone to the gym today, even though it's actually just laziness. That is the reason why I didn't go. I think it's safe to say everybody's body is a little bit sore today. So we are a bit sore, but we're ready and excited to learn some new skills, work our bodies hard, and we have the best aerial captain ever, so it's going to be a great hour and a half. Liz, I can't hear you because I'm holding the microphone. Here you go.
Ashley said he wasn't doing a video this week, but he loves you all so much, so he's doing it.
Yeah, sorry, I was in a really bad mood the other day, and I was like, I just don't know if filming is for me this week, but my mood has improved. Here we are. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Woo!
But let me tell you, there's plenty more of that to see tonight. Yes! Woo!
Woo! Woo! Yay!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen of Celebrity Apex. Can we get oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
That's the energy we like to see tonight. How are you doing? How are you doing over here on the left?
Oh my god, I just had the most stunning hot shower ever. It felt like a little steam room in my bathroom. That was so nice. And now I am going to get changed into my guest appropriate because I want to go and watch Caravan. But before I do that, I have another side quest. I need to go to the hotel director's office to go and get this document signed because one of my really good friends, Lauren, is going to come and visit me on the ship in a few weeks. And I'm signing her into my cabin, and so I need to get it approved by some of the executive team. So I need to run and get that signed before heading to the show, and I need to do all of that as well as like moisturize my whole body and my face and get changed in the next 25 minutes. Let's go. I don't actually know where I'm going, so I need to try and find the office.
I don't really like a lot of people.
I have like a rough idea. I'm kind of just guessing. Let's see.
I don't really know why. I guess I just do. Going hard in the club in the late night.
I need to come back.
I kinda hate that too.
So let's go watch
Being
Caravan.
with you kinda got me liking a lot of things that I never knew. Sometimes I get a little shy, but I don't want to wait you. You make me want to touch the sky. You make me want to get you. I ain't no social butterfly, but when I'm next to you, I feel like I want to dance all night. Baby, I don't
so sorry. I completely forgot to film dinner because I was just completely engrossed in conversation with my friends. But dinner was stunning and Caravan was amazing. The cast did an amazing job as always. Love watching them. It's so interesting seeing a second cast now perform, like a second cast during our contract, performing the same shows, because we just get to see such a different take and you get to see new things and see what different people bring to it. So that's really nice. And I also saw my manager Helen, and she gave me this scratch card for working hard, and I have won 90 free internet minutes. We love to see that. Big slay. Thank you, Helen. Love you, girl. Now I've come back to my cabin, and it is the 1st of the month today. It's the 1st of April, which means they have put new Crew movies on the Crew TV, and one of them is The Housemaid. I read the book last year or maybe the year before. It was one of the first Freedom McFadden books I ever read, and I really enjoyed it, and I've heard really great things about the movie, and I've been wanting to watch it for ages, and I haven't been able to because I have been in the middle of the sea. But now it's on the TV, so I'm about to get all cozy and get snuggled up in bed and watch this movie because I'm so excited. Yes, I needed this. I actually said to my friend Liz yesterday, I was like, when we get new movies tomorrow, I really would love for The Housemaid to be on there because I really want to watch it. Sorry, manifestation is real. Manifestation is real. Okay, let's get comfy and get to bed. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I really enjoyed the book when I read the book of The Housemaid, and I also really enjoyed the film. I think it was really great and I really enjoyed it. So if you have not read or watched The Housemaid by Freida McFadden, then I highly recommend that you do both of those things because both of them are really great. I really enjoyed both of them. I have just finished brushing my teeth and now I'm going to get back into bed because we have Paula's Day and Shine the Night tomorrow, so a big work day, so I want to make sure that I get some rest. But thank you so much for spending this day with me, of doing these random things that I had to do. If you made it this far, then please leave me a like and a comment down below, and hype this video if you can so that it gets pushed out to other amazing people just like you. And I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel and join me here every single Monday. And as always, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I really do appreciate it more than you know. And yeah, I really hope that I get to see you in the next one. And good night.